Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing this January the 23rd, 2025. Daily cryptocurrency, XRP, blockchain technology video you've come to expect, love, want, need, and deserve from the most trusted source in the cryptocurrency space, Jay. And we ask you to like the channel, comment down below, share it most importantly, and comment what videos and what coins you would like me to cover and add into the rotation. Be doing my algo like that. I'm sorry about that, my good man. We'll put algo into the rotation. Something I said about it the other day that nobody ever asked about it, so I don't cover it. And if you want to become, yes, members of Jabroni Killers for $2.99 a month, in the video description or the pinned comment, you just hit that and then you just hit join right there. If you're logged in to YouTube, you just hit that join button and next to the subscribe button, which you all should be, and then you can help support the channel by becoming members of Jabroni Killer. It is always down there. And the old quant. My good man wanted the quant. But no, I want to hear about the motherfucking quant. So we got the quant. And quant's been doing the same thing as DGB. We've been consolidating to the downside, and we need to hold these moving averages, which the 200-day moving average will make that in green, is sitting there at about 95 cents. And we got very close to touching it a few days ago, back in mid-January, about the 18th, 19th, 17th. That must be our next 2-minute warning there. And if we don't hold that, you could be seeing some bearish action that could bring you down as far down as a regional low down here at $51. So that's something that we're going to pay attention to. But if you can hold this $95, you can make a run up and try to breach this regional high here and maybe force your way all the way up into here. So this is a very critical area for the quant. Can we hold the moving averages? They're all running parallel. And this is a critical time for the short to medium term move and price action in quant. IOTA is that the same thing where we got rejected up by this 36-cent level. We did peak up above it and got all the way up to about 60 cents. But if we can't, this is a major support and resistance zone. And if we can't break back above this, you're probably more than likely trading down to this red line that extends all the way across the screen at the bottom third of this support and resistance red box. And that's the mean of the trading of the whole history of the coin on this chart at 21 cents, just below the 200-day moving average. And you might be trading down here and then have to hold on to support and then try to get another rally back going. So that's something that we're going to pay attention to in IOTA. The VELO, we do know we're in this rising wedge, and it's been in this ever since about September of 2022. So it's been a 2-year long pattern. It's got uptrending, upper resistance, hit it back there in April, hit it even farther back in February of 23, and most recently hitting it now in early 2025. And then you got your uptrending, lower support, hit it back there in 23 in February, traded along it for quite some time in the summertime of 23, hit it a couple of times through the summertime of 24. And now that we're getting into the 25, could this be the next time that you're hitting it in a rising wedge? Is wide when it enters and then goes into a duck's beak and tightens as it gets to the end of the pattern. You can see how wide it is there. And then you can see how short and consolidated and tight it is here. And the probabilities say it would break down maybe 6.5 out of 10. Doesn't mean it has to. And a technical target would be down at the bottom of where this thing started from, which would be about there at the 002333. But on a breakout to the upside, if this does beat the odds, your first level of resistance would be about 8 cents, right? So that's something in VELO that we're going to watch. But VELO has been bearish the last few days, and it's dropped down about 37% and had a wick down at about 45% from an attempted breakout. So we're going to pay attention to see what happens there. DIA, we know we have these two patterns. It could be in red there, a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, and a technical target would be down here at 38 cents. Or if this is, but it doesn't look like, a bull flag, your technical target would be up there at $3.23. The probabilities and what the chart looks like, I would hedge my bet that it's a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern short term, and we're going to be maybe trading down closer to that 38 cents. So that's something very interesting in DIA to watch out for. LCX